never thought of seeing you once again, and I can't believe right here with me now. Looking, staring, talking, telling me things that deserve all these years. Hey, me, one who's always cared for you. Oh yes, me, the one who always loved you. I hope you still remember. It's just mine. All the memories that we have left behind. Right here with me. Looking, staring, telling me things that done all these years. Me, the one who's always cared for you. Oh yeah, me, the one who always loved you. You still remember, and don't it cross my mind. The memories that we have kumusta kayo? Thank you po. Hello. Hello, lahat ng baliwag. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito. At syempre, huwag niyo kalimutan ang 3 days sale ng Redcat sa August 31, September 1, and September 2. Syempre, invite ko rin kayo to go grab a copy of my album. Ayun, ito na lang tayo. Hey, it's me, Bea. Bili na po kayo sa mga Astro Plus and Astro Business stores nationwide.